In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro ETF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find ETFs on eToro, evaluate them with confidence, and place a straightforward buy order for long-term investing. Start by opening eToro. From the main menu, head to Discover, then tap or click Markets. In the list of market categories, choose ETFs. This brings up a curated gallery of exchange-traded funds you can browse. You'll notice several types: index ETFs that track broad markets like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, dividend ETFs focused on income-generating companies, bond ETFs that offer exposure to government or corporate debt, and commodity ETFs that follow assets like gold or oil. Each category behaves differently, so think about whether you want growth potential, income, stability, or commodity exposure. Next, pick an ETF to research. Click any fund, such as a large U.S. stock market ETF. On the ETF page, review three key areas. First, the chart. Switch between timeframes to understand both short-term moves and long-term trends. A one-day chart shows noise. A 1 to 5 year view helps you see the bigger picture. Second, performance. Look at historical returns across different periods to gauge how it has behaved in various market conditions. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it can provide context. Third, holdings. This section shows what's inside the ETF, its top companies, sectors, or assets, so you know exactly what you're getting exposure to. This is the core benefit of ETFs. With one trade, you can access a diversified basket of assets instead of buying individual positions one by one. When you're ready to invest, click Invest. Make sure you select Buy for a long-term position. If you see a leverage setting, keep it at 1x so you're purchasing the ETF itself without borrowing. Enter the amount you want to invest. For example, $50. eToro supports fractional investing, so you don't need to buy a full share. Before you confirm, take a moment to check the current price and be aware that market prices can move. If markets are closed, the trade will queue until they open. When everything looks good, click Open Trade to place your order at the market price. That's it. You found ETFs on eToro, evaluated an option using the chart, performance, and holdings, and placed a simple long-term buy. As always, investing involves risk, so consider your time horizon and diversify thoughtfully. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.